Just sat down with a cup of coffee. I was watching the news, and wow, all of a sudden I hear this loud crash.
We're headed to a job where actually a vehicle bashed through a house. At first glance, it doesn't seem to be much termite damage, but to really see the amount affected, the wall needs to be exposed.
Holy. Yeah.
Pretty gnarly, yeah.
So what do you think over there? What do you think right there?
It come down too easy. Oh my goodness.
Okay, yeah, so Jeff or I will be there at some point today. I don't know exactly how the schedule is gonna play out, but you'll probably see one of us. Okay, all right, cool. Okay, so the guys are at the job. The wall's ready to come down. So we've come to the conclusion that both of the walls need to be completely rebuilt. Since they're both load-bearing walls, we can only take down one at a time to keep the rigidity of the structure intact.
That's that top plate there, and then coming back down this way.
After getting the first wall torn down, we can see that the roof structure is 100% salvageable. Not only is this gonna save us a ton of time, but roof repairs are extremely costly.
We are removing this bottom plate, cutting these old rusted anchors, so then we can build our wall, get it up in, slide it in, and then we'll run new anchors down into the concrete, get it all fastened, get all the straps fastened back up to the wall, and then yeah, that's what we're doing. Getting her good.
The floor anchors are out, and now it's time to clean up the work area and start thinking about how to frame the wall. The first step in putting the new wall up is installing a new bottom plate that the wall will tie it to. The wall is actually going to be built outside of the house and then lifted into place.
We're gonna have to make sure beams are on this side. When we put that wall up, we'll go.
Now, everything's getting measured twice.
So what are we looking at? 92 and
7/8.
7/8?
Yep, got it right here, bro. I got everything wrote down. We'll leave our end studs out, put them in later, it'll make it a lot easier.
You'll need 6 at 20 altogether. This is our bottom plate, this is our top plate, this is gonna go up in. We're gonna nail the top, get the bottom set, run red heads, get the bottom fastened in, and we'll be good to go. We need more red heads. If you can pick up a box of 25, half inch by 5.5. I think we're pretty well good. We're working on framing this wall right now. We got top plate in. We're getting bottom and top and studs put together. I think we're going to get the wall erected and then do our headers so it's not as heavy. And then we'll be running like no other. Once we get this one framed and sheeted, we'll be demoing the other side.
Right.
Oh, that plywood behind you.
Go away.
1, 2.
There we go.
So Home Love Construction specializes in 3 things: kitchens, bathrooms, and especially room additions. If you have a project that's one of those 3 things, again, kitchens, bathrooms, or room additions, we would love to have one of our estimators come out and give you a free same-day estimate on your project. No obligation to you. It's just an information session to let you know what you're looking at, because that's always the biggest question we get asked is, what's the cost? How much is this project going to cost? We'd love to help you in that process. If you're interested, reach out to us, homeloveconstruction@gmail.com. And now, back to the video.
We should be done with it by tomorrow evening.
What you're seeing right now is the crew is putting together the interior wall and the front wall is already up. What you're not gonna see is the side wall of the house that is load bearing was actually built off camera. Just know that it's there, even though you don't see it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not already, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube, and follow us on Instagram. We're at Home Love Construction on all 3. I appreciate your attention. Look out for the next video, part 3, coming very soon, which is gonna cover putting the drywall on this thing, all the finish work, and inspections. You get to see how the inspection process actually works in real life. Again, appreciate your attention. See you next time. Peace. Next time on Home Love Construction.
So what's next on the agenda?